What's with the string?
Well, I've put some mason string on there because we want these 3 braces all lined up on the studs. We're doing a parallel install. So that string allows me, kind of like a batter board, allows me to use it to line up everything. So even though I'm on one floor joist of the 2nd floor ceiling joist, then I can use that string to help line up so I know exactly where to put the next one. It's a little cheap. All right, so fast forward about 3 days and drop the temperature about 30 degrees. And we've got an update here. We want to show you what we've installed. But first of all, I didn't realize we were dressing up for this segment. How come you're all clean and showered and well-dressed and I look like a farm bum? Anyway, all right, so you can see behind me we've got the first 4x8 FLEXIMOUNT shelf system installed, the GR48B, I believe it is. Got it installed. We went to the store, got some totes, kind of figured out exactly what totage we needed to be able to store stuff up there. But I'm really excited with how it holds what we need. So it holds up to like 600 pounds, so it holds what we need to, but we still got plenty of room. In fact, we decided we're going to go buy more junk to put in here, aren't we?
No, we're not. No.
So what do you think about it so far?
I'm really excited about it. We definitely needed some organization and better places to store our things, get them up out of the way and not in your field of vision as soon as you enter into the garage. So I'm happy about it.
Yeah, so it obviously is high enough that Kelly can have the car in here. She can raise the trunk lid, no issues there. But then over here, we even put the second one in. Now you can't look at my tool section yet because I'm researching a tool bench and an organization system there. I want one of those big fancy rolly ones, but we'll see if we can fit that in the budget. But you can see back here, the other 4x8 systems installed. And not only did we get everything that was on our garage shelves and kind of scattered about, but I've now put all of my processing equipment, so all of my LEM stuff, my grinders, all that is up there in the boxes as well. But one other thing we did is got an idea to take some bungees and use them underneath. You can see you've got Kelly's picnic table umbrella and some of our camp chairs actually bungeed underneath, so it doesn't necessarily burn up space for where our totes are going to go.